not treating Fred that bad. Leave him alone at once. Stop. It's not fair. Just why?
Because you're ugly. Look at your face.
What are you doing with poor Fred?
Fred, sorry for being born like this.
Just go
Leave him
away.
alone.
You didn't deserve any of this. I'll have to play the hero today. Sing for me and get sprunked. Oh, you ugly sprunkies.
What's going on? Guys, our bodies have changed. What are we supposed to do now?
Astonishing.
I'm proud of what I did here. See you later, cuties.
You're not attractive anymore. What you do?
Vicky!
Don't look at me.
Oh, honey, you don't look that bad to me.
Lauren, you despise me! Do I really look that disgusting? No way! This is a nightmare! Somebody wake me up, please! It's useless. We'll never be happy again!
Ready to shoot? It happened. Born ready, you loser.
Awesome! Why don't we go and play with them?
I don't want them to see me like this!
What can we do? What? Gave me a really great idea. Girls, follow my lead.
What's the point of this? I think I get it now. Amazing!
No one can see that we're ugly now.